Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to convert your race quad to LRS. LRS stands for long range system, and here I have an LRS system. It's the Open-LRS system, as you can see here, 433 MHz, and this gives you very long radio control range. Nowadays most race quads use microflight controllers like this one here, which has an integrated receiver built in. The problem with this type of flight controllers is because it's so small, it does not have the ports for PWM signal output. Basically, it has only a wire which carries either the S-bus or PPM to the receiver. However, the LRS receiver that we have here does not support PPM, so it has the input for the PWM signals such as the throttle, rudder, roll, and so on. To overcome this problem, I'm using a very cool device here called the PPM encoder. What it does is it takes in the PPM signal from your micro flight controller here, and then it converts the PPM signal to the PWM signals, which are the channel 1 to channel 8 here, and this allows support for most receivers out there. In the software CleanFlight, all I need to do is to select PPM instead of serial, which is the default for the integrated built-in receiver that comes along with the flight controller. Now if we go to the receiver section here, you can see that the bars are responding to my LRS radio controller here. So if I move throttle, it's moving up and down. If I roll, it's moving right and left. And if I move the pitch forward, it responds as well, and the same goes for rudder. So basically I have converted my quadcopter here to LRS, which is the 433 long range radio control system, using this PPM encoder. That's all I have. I hope you enjoyed this video and find it useful. Thank you for watching.